To unblock your CAC card, start by locating the 8-digit PUC code on your card. Enter this code correctly when prompted. If this does not work, you will need to contact the authority that issued your card to report the issue. To resolve the problem in person, visit an ID card office, also known as the Real-Time Automated Personal Identification System, RAPIDS, with a second form of photo identification. You can find a nearby office by visiting a website such as dmdc.osd.mil and using the site locator. Once at the office, meet with a verifying official who will ask for your fingerprint and verify your identity. They will then reset your card's PIN, resolving the blockage. This process requires your presence as the card owner, so be prepared to provide the necessary identification and follow the official's instructions. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully unblock your CAC card.